This video is to help you insert your circle on the number line. So what you're first going to do is click on the number line, and it will be outlined with a blue box, and below it you'll see a little edit icon with a pencil. You're going to click that, and the drawing of the number line will pop up on your screen like this. Now, to insert a circle onto this number line, you are going to hover your mouse over the circle and square icon that says shape, and you're going to click that. A drop-down menu will pop up, and you're going to hover over shapes and then find the circle, and then you will select it. Now, depending on what number you received, you're going to put the circle over that. So I'm going to say 3. So I will draw my circle like this, and then I'm going to drag it over the number that I scored. And once I'm done, I will click Save and Close in the upper right corner, and now my circle is on my number line.